welcome back to our class. So we're going to continue our lesson about rocks and minerals, okay? So as usual, we're going to review about the vocabulary words, okay? Okay, we have minerals, metallic, non-metallic, igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, magma, lava, porous, sediments, and rock strata. Okay, so I hope you're familiar with them by now. Review again, be familiar with these words. Okay, yesterday we already studied about igneous rocks. Okay, so for today we're going to study about sedimentary rocks. Okay, how does it form, and what are the examples of sedimentary rocks? Okay, so let's go to your student book, page 94. Okay, so sedimentary rocks can be formed on land or underwater. Okay, yesterday we said that igneous rocks are formed from magma or lava, right? Now, this time we're saying that sedimentary rocks can be formed on land or underwater over millions of years. The wind and water deposits many layers of sediments. Okay, from sediments, what do we mean by sediment? Go to the vocabulary. Okay, so sediments formed over millions of years, and the weight of the sediments at the top causes the bottom sediment layers to squeeze together to form a sedimentary rock. Okay, so if you're going to imagine this one, so over time, through the years, millions of years, the sediments settle to the bottom, right? They fall down, they settle to the bottom, no? So in the sea, sediments deposit into the sea by wind or water, and now this form layers. Okay, there will be layers of sediments. Now the top layer pushes down, okay, squeezes the bottom layer. Okay, so the bottom layer slowly hardens and then becomes sedimentary rock. Okay, and in this picture it says that sometimes some plants and animals die, so when they fall down here onto the bottom as well, so they will be in between the sediments. Okay, see, there are many layers in a sedimentary rock. Okay, these layers are called rock strata. Okay, we will observe later that there are layers. Okay, sedimentary rocks, you can observe the layers of sedimentary rocks. Okay, and these layers are called rock strata. Okay, now we can also find fossils in sedimentary rocks. Fossils are formed when dead plants and animals are trapped between the layers of sediments. As I've said earlier in this one, we can find fossils because when plants die or animals die, they will be in between the sediments. Okay, so we can see fossils in sedimentary rocks. As compared to igneous rocks does not contain fossil because they are from magma. Okay, from molten rock. It's very hot. Okay, so there's no way there can be fossil in igneous rock. Okay, but sedimentary rocks, you can find, it's possible, very very possible to have fossils. Okay, sedimentary rocks are made of different sizes of particles. Okay, we will see later different sizes of particles. Okay, it can be from rocks, pebbles, or very small grains or mud. Okay, so one first example of sedimentary rock is shale. Okay, shale is formed from fine grains or rocks. Okay, shale, I don't know what is it in Thai. You look for it in the dictionary. Was shale. We can use shale to make bricks and pottery. Okay, we can also crush shale into small pieces and use them to make cement. we use cement in construction. Okay, shale comes from clay or mud. Okay. Now in this one, black shale contains a substance that can be used to make fuels. Okay. Shale is an example of sedimentary rocks that has fine crystals. Okay. Fine grains of rock, not crystal. Fine grains are from clay or mud. Okay. Another example of sedimentary rock, this one is sandstone. Okay, sandstone is formed from large grains of rocks or from sand. Okay, some structures in nature are made of sandstone. From the name itself, sandstone. Okay, so it's from sand. So when sand as sediment falls down and then squeezed together and then they become rock. Okay. This one is sandstone structures in USA, in America. Okay, this is a picture of sandstone. And then another example is limestone. Okay, limestone, look for it in, what is it inside? Limestone can have fine grains or large grains. Okay, it can form when layers of rock pieces and shells, okay, shells of sea creatures are squeezed together. So limestone is made up of skeletons or bones of marine animals, okay, those that live in the sea. Okay, so limestone can also form when calcium carbonate in the water precipitates. Okay, when calcium carbonate in the water precipitates, you can make limestone as well, or you can have limestone as well. No, we can crush limestone and mix it with other substances to make cement, which is used in construction. Okay, same with shale, we can use limestone in construction. Okay, and this one is a statue made of limestone. So you have to answer your student book, page 97. Okay, this one, 2 items, very easy. You identify the sedimentary rock. You write the name of the rock. Number 1, this rock can be formed by precipitation of calcium carbonate in the water. Okay, and number 2, this rock is made of fine rock particles and can be used to make pottery. Okay, so you write the name, what are these rocks. Okay, and then we go to your workbook, page 61. Okay, workbook page 61, number 2, sedimentary rocks. You read the statements below. If it is false, rewrite the statement to make it true. Okay, so if the statement is wrong, you have to rewrite, or you have to correct this sentence. Okay, you have to rewrite the sentence to make it true. Okay, so but if the statement is correct already, then you don't have to rewrite it. Okay, you just leave it blank. If it's correct, no need to do anything. But if the statement is false or incorrect, you have to rewrite. Okay, so letter A, sandstone has fine grains while shale has large grains. So you have to go back to your student book and check if sandstone has fine grains and if shale has large grains. Then you can answer. Okay, letter B, limestone can form by the precipitation of calcium carbonate in water. Go back to your student book about limestone and see if this is correct or not correct. Okay, and letter C, sedimentary rocks can be found only underwater. Can be found only underwater. Okay, you have to check, is it correct? Then you have to change if it's not correct. Okay, letter D, the strata of sedimentary rocks are layers of rock pieces and dead animals, dead plants and animals. Okay, the strata, we already know the meaning of strata, rock strata, right? So is it correct? Is it not correct? Okay, so if it's incorrect, you rewrite it to make it correct. Okay, so this is it for today. Bye!